Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel from Sydney, Australia. As if you followed any of my videos before, especially the last two when I was in Romania, then you'll know that I was planning on moving to Australia in September, which I obviously did. I was planning to do like a little fly with me, like move with me. But honestly, it was just so hectic, my journey. I was so tired. I didn't sleep on either of the flights. But I'm here. I've been here for 3 weeks now, and I have literally just moved into my new apartment. So I thought I would do an apartment tour. At the moment, it's pretty empty. One of my housemates has gone down to Melbourne for the weekend, and my other housemate is moving in properly tomorrow with all of her furniture. She's bringing us so much furniture. She's also picked up a couch and a washing machine. She's also got a mattress for me. And then today I've got an IKEA order coming, which will be my bed, my mirror, and my bedside table. So yeah, I will give you a quick little house tour. It's very cute, very cottagecore. And I'm so in love with it. I can't wait for you to see it finished as well, because at the moment it's very empty. So I'm going to film this bit on 1.5 because it's a bit narrow. Well, it's not, but on the camera it looks it. But this is where you come in. So this is like our little entrance hallway. And then we've got 2 bedrooms here. So that's one of the girls' bedrooms. And I won't go in here because obviously it's private, but this is the other bedroom. And then we've got like a huge storage cupboard, like pantry, linen, everything like that. This is our very cute bathroom. And yeah, some of the girls have got a bath, which needs to clean. And we've got a shower as well. The shower is amazing. And the girls have also already brought some like plants and stuff. Obviously, because I'm coming from England, I had nothing to contribute to the house. But they were both very kind and brought lots of stuff. We actually have a separate toilet, which is very handy in a house share if someone is in the shower or the bath and you need the loo. And then this is possibly my favourite room in the house. It's so cute. It's our little green kitchen. I'm just boiling some water for my coffee because we don't have a kettle yet. But I am so obsessed with this room. I absolutely love it. And yeah, again, we've got like so much storage, very little stuff at the moment. So yeah, all very cute. And then that door just leads outside if we want it. It's like a second exit. And then this is our dining room, which is huge. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a day bed under the window and then a table and chairs there as well. Not sure if that will stay there. And then it is attached to, again, our huge living room. Honestly, I can't believe the size of this place. And the ceilings are really high, which makes it feel even bigger. And it just gets so much natural light. And like the view is just, you just feel like you're in jungle, but like maybe like a forest. But anyway, I think we're going to put the couch there, maybe get an armchair, probably put a desk in that corner, a bookshelf here, probably move this maybe over here, and then we're going to put our TV and TV stand here. But yeah, honestly, it's huge. But anyway, then just off of the lounge we have my room. And again, absolutely love these 2 huge windows, and the amount of daylight it gets all day. It's just incredible. So my room, obviously I don't have a bed at the moment, so this is my makeshift bed until tomorrow when my mattress arrives. And then I did buy myself a little plant yesterday just to make it feel a bit homely, and my housemates lent me her lamp so that I can use that. And then it did come with this big wardrobe already. I mean, literally, you can see how tall the ceilings are. The fact that I can also I can't even reach the top of the wardrobe, and I still have room for my suitcase. And then, yeah, in here, just got, again, tons of storage. I have such little stuff, though, so I don't really have much going on in here, just toiletries, shoes and clothes. But yeah, again, I'm just so obsessed with like the view and I love it. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with the house. It's not in an area which I thought I would live in before. So I'm actually like in North Sydney on the other side of the Harbour Bridge, which I hadn't considered before. Originally, I was doing the typical British thing, looking down in the eastern suburbs like Bondi and Coogee. And I did view a place down in Coogee. It was really nice, but it was double the price of this place. This was the first place that I viewed. I saw it on a Facebook group. So Ebony, my housemate, had posted on Facebook and I was like, oh my God, I haven't looked at this area before, but it's so cheap. It's $245 a week, which is crazy. It works out about £550 a month for any of my English watchers. And that includes water. So random, you don't pay for water bills in Australia. It's just included in your rent, which is insane. So then the only other things we have to pay for, obviously they don't have council tax here either. We only pay for electric and gas, which you pay quarterly, and then we've bought Wi-Fi. But yeah, on the day of the viewing, I came and like wandered around the local area and it's so beautiful. I might walk down to the harbour or to the wharf and get a coffee in a bit, so I'll show you like the walk down, because honestly it's like beautiful, and it's just so quiet and peaceful. But you also are a 12-minute ferry or a 10-minute bus away from the central city, so it's just ticked all my boxes. And yeah, 2 weeks later, here we are moved in. So another thing about this place, and I think it's quite common in Australia, is our laundry is outside. So I think that will be where I encounter some huntsman spiders, because yeah, we're surrounded by trees and nature. So yeah, I think, and I'll show you, it's like a garage, like that kind of vibe. IKEA order has just arrived, so I'm gonna start unpacking it. I don't have an Allen key, which is a bit annoying, so they might have put one in the boxes, but I'm not sure. So I will set you up and I'll try and unload. Yay, my mirror is up. Very, very happy with that. And then the next thing I have is this like little bedside table. I think I'm gonna need an Allen key, so I'm gonna unwrap it and see if there's one included. I'm gonna try and build my bedside table. And then I might actually try and build my bed today as well, so that when my mattress comes tomorrow, I can just chuck it straight on. So, first up, yeah, this weird little thing. I don't have the muscles for this, but part one is in. The first bit is done, and now I need to basically just like slot these in here, and then that's what makes the shelves. So yeah, I'm going to do that next. I've bloody done it. Yay! Sorry, but how skilled am I? So cute. I'm gonna try and build my bed now as well, I think. Just get it done. So yeah. I think this is gonna take a while, so I will be back when I've made a bit more progress. I'm done. Probably took me about 40 minutes, I reckon, to make the bed on my own, but we have something that resembles a bedroom. Very exciting, and I'm excited to sleep properly in my official new room tomorrow. My mattress arrives today. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. I've also changed my room around, but I don't know how I feel about it, so I've put the bed the other way around so that I'm facing the windows. And then yeah, I got my bedside table and my mirror here. And I feel like it is cuter from this angle, but I don't know if from this angle it looks a bit busy. But hopefully like once my bed's done and made and there's like obviously space here, then it'll be better. But my housemate's also giving me a chest of drawers, but I actually don't know where I'm going to fit it now. And to be honest, I don't think I need it because I have nothing else to put in the drawers, so we'll see. My mattress has arrived and we have our couch. Sorry, but how cute does my room look? I literally cannot wait to sleep in here tonight. It looks so cozy, the mattress is so comfortable. And then we have our couch. We're still in the process of unpacking everything, so it is a mess. But she's so cute. She did lose a leg during the move, so we've had to improvise. But I kind of prefer this little makeshift leg, so. I forgot to film an outro for this video, so this is about a week later. But yeah, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed seeing my new apartment. And yeah, hopefully I'm going to get back into the swing of filming now that I've got some kind of routine going here in Sydney. And yeah, I'll bring you along for any fun touristy things that I get up to. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.